Tell me, the Passy Fairy.
The Passy Fairy.
Okay, and so what's Passy Fairy gonna do with them?
Take them to the baby.
Okay, now, can you, while you tell your Passy...
Bye.
Okay, put them in the
Suck? Alright, tell them bye.
Bye.
Say, hope you find a good...
Take care of the baby.
Alright, and now you're gonna push the button and put it on the garage?
Yep.
Okay.
I thought I was there.
Alright, set it.
Close it and say, goodbye, Sassies. Take care of the babies.
Take care of the baby.
Wave bye to it. Oh, fix it. Oh. Okay. Alright, now come back in.
Okay, good.
Alright, that's a good spot.
Okay, now say one more time.
Tell it
Goodbye,
bye.
Sassies.
Goodbye, Fassies.
Take care of the babies.
Take care of the baby.
There it is.
Bye. And the fairy one.
Good job.
Come and get it. That old Patsy.
Those